My dear child, your mind is pushing. You are running without a clock. You are waiting for some day to dawn. You are trying to get rid of difficult situation from the sorrows you are experiencing. Changes are going to happen. In the future, they are going to appreciate you and proud. You are going to live the life you wanted. Your looks are new and everyone will be attractive. Everything will come in search of you. I am writing how you want to live. I'll make you the best of all. Don't worry anymore. I'll not abandon any situation. I am there. You have important things I need to talk to. Thinking of your problem, you are losing your peace. You have made your mind hurt and made the life of your life. You are scolding without knowing how to fix it. This is why life seems to be hell. If you don't like one thing, wipe out their thoughts. Accept those who don't like it. The injustice that you do it to yourself. You dressed yourself and it won't give you relief. Will create an unrelievable situation for others. It's better you to move away from it. There is no mistake in coming silently. But there will be some people who are not able to accept the peace of now. They used to talk to you, so they won't be acceptable. Not everyone will be the same as you like. If some things they do make you sad, it is better to live silently without fighting with it. It seems that you left them, but they don't want to realize the real lesson. They know if they understand you, what's wrong they have done and why you were silent. So, don't worry about taking this as a big thing. You express it with others. Why did they do? So, leave anger and irritation. It is not fair that someone hurt you. It's wrong to show that anger to others. Surely, you will live in peace and happiness. I am responsible for that. I blessed you will definitely get as I bless you. I'll make you engage in all that. I'll stand with my support myself. Who comes to me becomes one with me, just as a river flows to the sea and becomes merged with it. Don't worry, be happy. I am always with you. Jai Sai Ram.